save her. Okay. Oh. Oh, May.
It's almost 11 o'clock.
It is almost 11
I'll
o'clock.
move out.
And guys, the agenda today is to pack. We are going to Ballarat tomorrow and I have not packed.
What?
Not even a little bit. Not yet. Yeah, so we will pack today.
Yeah. And I'm gonna help mommy.
Aw, she has been helping me actually.
And me too.
Thank you.
He hasn't been helping her. Oh, no.
And kukunin din yung
Yeah.
box today. Boxes. So ready
Yeah,
na.
look at those feet.
Ready na yung boxes sa harap, guys. Kagabi sana ako mag-start mag-pack kasi kagabi natapos yung laundry ko. 2 days ako, guys, nag-laundry. Look at that. Hinintay ko kasi ma-dry siya lahat para yung mga ipapack ko, yung nandyan na. Kasi tutupiin ko din naman siya. Ayokong magtupi, tapos mag-put away, tapos kukunin sa mga cabinets yung ipapack. So, tupi, diretso pack. Alam mo yun? Yeah, so... finish it all. Is it all gone? Are you sure? Anyway, yung dalawang boxes nandun na ready na. Nag-start na din ako mag-load ng mga bagay-bagay sa car. Yeah. Nag-start na ako mag-load kagabi. Wait. Just last bit.
Why have my mother took it there? Why have my mother took it there?
Monster truck?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I let it dry. Alright. All done! Very good eating, guys. Alright, is Indy all good? Alright, come on. We will stay in our pajamas today until mga hapon kasi maliligo kami before kami mag-dinner because we have dinner booked tonight because who's coming tonight to Adelaide?
All guys who subscribed.
Mia.
Mia,
Yeah.
who subscribed.
Yeah, she's a subscriber, but Mary is mommy's friend too. So she's not just a subscriber to mommy, she's mommy's friend.
I know.
Yeah.
So
she's
guys,
mommy's friend.
what y'all gonna make us today on dinner? Make sure you like
Which one?
and subscribe,
Which one? This one?
and make sure you have a great day.
Happy day.
Happy day. That's what people say.
Over here? Okay guys, let's go upstairs and start packing.
Yeah, I'll just show you guys.
Okay. Alright, let's start packing. Let's do this. Ayla,
Can I put this on?
what is it? No. It's very glittery. Put it back, please. Don't press it. Can you get me my phone, please?
Look.
Milk? That's not milk, that's water. Say water. Is this in this luggage? What?
It's 11:03 now.
Okay. That's okay.
Can I help you, Mom?
Yes, please. You know the help that you can do for me?
Okay.
Play with Indy, you remember? It's okay, we're keeping it here. I'm not touching it. Alright, now.
You know Indy really likes books?
She loves books,
We
yes.
need for books.
I know. I think I've got a book already there.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Let me check.
1, 2. Oh my goodness. Mapak ko lang yung kailangan ng mga bata. Okay na ako. Ang ganda ng weather, guys. Dito, ang ganda ng weather. Pero hindi kami magpa-park today kasi dami ko kailangan gawin. Tapos may paparating nga na box na walang specific time. Ano sabi? My gosh, hiningal ako. Hindi na ako yun dito. Darating sila ng 1 to 3:45. So, hindi natin alam kung anong oras talaga. I'm gonna check Ballarat's weather. Good luck sa Ballarat weather. We have been checking and it's been raining. Oh my gosh. Okay. So yesterday it was 95% chance of rain. Now it went down to 90. Still raining, but at least my changes na pababa. Oh my gosh, the whole time we're there, it's raining. Alright, let's do this. So I'm gonna fold and pack at the same time. Hello, Ayla, I just need you to play with Indy, that's all, okay? Ate, she's calling you, she needs help. Yeah, read a book. So, oh, thank you, Ate. What are you gonna bring? This fits you, right, Ayla?
I don't know.
Can you try it on? Oh, not yet.
Not yet.
I don't want to go through the clothes anymore. Dito na. Kung ano naman dito yung ipapak natin. Wrong way.
Here, mommy.
Yes, baby.
Here.
Well done.
Tell me, yuck.
Whoa, so guapo.
And you got here. Mom,
Yes?
can I bring this on the ride?
Yeah, sige.
Okay, let me get my stuff. Oh, yeah. Mom, can I just put clothes in here?
No clothes.
It's much.
All the clothes will go in the luggage.
Okay, I'm going to get the stuff I need. The fish. We need this hoodie. We need this hoodie. Ow! I'm taking this hoodie. Okay. Okay, that.
Beanie.
Beanie.
Yeah, sige.
Let's go. Papa. Thank you, Papi. Beanie is going in there. Oh my God, let's go. I'm repaired. Let's go. I'm repaired.
Good job, Kuya.
Yeah, I see what's up. These sour things I really love.
I just need you to try this because if it doesn't fit, we're not bringing it. Just take off your pants and then try.
Oh, the dinosaur
Yeah.
is saving. Yes, that's turtles. Ow!
So, what do you think about it?
Nah.
No? Come here. Because we can tighten it.
Yes.
Yes?
Okay.
I see the crossroads coming up ahead. A choice I make, but haven't made yet. Why do pathways feel so threatening? What ifs are never ending? Caught in the shadow of what might be. A future I fear, but still cannot see. Wait up, tomorrow should be easier. What if I leap and it's
Alright guys, update. It is now 1:42. Hindi pa din dumadating si Kuya na magpipick up ng box, but malapit na tayo matapos mag-pack. Napack ko na yung mga damit namin ng mga kids. Yung kay Dan na lang yung kulang, pero nandito na yung mga damit niya. Yung mga tinupi ko kanina, so pwede niya itong pagpilian. Nandyan pa yung iba. And I'll pack it later. So, yung kulang na lang dyan is toiletries. And, yeah, kailangan ko mag-pack ng mga pagkain. So, punta tayo sa baba guys para mag-pack ng mga pagkain. Tinry kong patulogin si Indy 2 beses. Hindi talaga natulog. So, she's awake, you guys. Alright, that's okay. Whatever. Ayoko na siyang pilitin. Oh my gosh, mayroon pa pala akong... guys. Look, meron pa pala ako dyan. Ilang loads ba yung ginawa ko? Nag-laundry ako 2 araw. Tuesday at saka Wednesday. So, kahapon nag-laundry din ako. Kaya pala sabi ko, asan yung pants ni Ayla? So, nandito. My goodness. Oh. That's okay. Tapos ko na pack yung sa kids. Alright, di mo na pack?
I want to do.
We'll just, yeah. Oh no, we need to put batteries in this one. Is this double A? Anong battery ba to?
Mommy, this is for iTunes.
Triple A's. 2 triple A's. Did
Mom.
Daddy buy triple A batteries? Remember we run out?
I don't know.
Oh no.
Mom,
So we'll put batteries in there so
I.
they can use it. Yeah, I know. It's for A+. Oh my gosh, meron pa akong tutupin. Bed sheets pa pati ito. Ay. That's okay, Erase. That's okay. That's okay. Kung walang mga kids, kayang-kaya ko to, guys.
Which
Oh my
side are
gosh.
we using?
It's still damp. Ito na naman siya. Yung kinakain niya na naman lahat. Look. Like, seriously. Kinakain niya lahat. So, nandun sa loob lahat. Is it dry or what? Freaking sheets.
Guys, can I tell something? Our
Alright, I need to put some back because they are still damp. May towels pala dito. Yeah, winash ko to kahapon. Pwede naman sana siyang isampay. Kaya lang, nag-wash din kasi ako ng quilt. Yung quilt namin mismo. And it occupied our whole sampayan. So, kaya ako siya din dryer. Kasi maganda sana yung weather eh. Kaya nga lang, yun lang. Walang space sa sampayan namin. Ayla, let's not forget that, okay? We'll put that in Mommy's car already. So we don't forget. We'll pack, so we'll wrap it. Well, should we just put, we'll just wrap it. Where's the wrapper? Sarah?
which which lot do we do for
I've
that?
got a pink one for me
Yeah,
actually.
pink one.
Yeah. Wait. Let me get that.
And then we orange.
Tingnan niyo to, hindi talaga natulog. Anong oras na bidu? Happy ka dyan? Kumakain kami guys ng kiwi, yung golden kiwi. Kailangan na natin ubusin yung ating mga prutas. Alis na tayo bukas. Ay no. Ito ang lakas kumain. Buyag, 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 buyag. Kami lang 2 kumakain ito eh. Kasi yung 2 hindi kumakain ito. Kaming 3 ni Daddy, kaya lang wala si Daddy.
Oh, Mom.
Mm. 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 Watch out, ate. You guys! Ano ba tong buhay na to? Nagmamadali na kami. We are heading to dinner. Tingnan mo, nakalimutan pa ni Daddy. Right sa... May lakad kasi kami kanina. Before ng dinner, umalis pa kami. And then, yeah. Alright, let's go guys. Dito kami sa labas ng park. See? Almost forgot.
Sorry?
Ang ganda ng weather today. Malamig pero hindi
Hindi
nginig na lamig.
That's a good deal.
Tamang
I like
okay
that.
lang.
Do you want your toys?
Tamang okay lang.
I know my fun.
Alright. Ay.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Kuya.
Mama, I think Kaya's present is a piano.
Oh my gosh, we still haven't sang happy birthday to Tita Michelle. Sorry,
And Mommy,
guys.
Mama,
Yeah.
and Mama,
Yeah?
and Kaya's present is a piano.
Piano.
Piano. Oh,
Oh, that was so cute, though, Alo.
Mama,
You got
what's
the-
her name? Emma?
Mia.
Mia?
Yeah.
Mia's present is a camera, but I'm gonna surprise her.
Okay. Do you have that dress or not yet?
Not yet.
Whenever you see new people, you need to welcome into their world.
Oh. 24 minutes.
Yep. Like 24 hours.
23 minutes.
And what that looks like. It's like a purple camera. Mom,
So, dinner kami, guys, with MJ and the fam. So, kung OG kayo nanonood na matagal na talaga, me and Dan went to Perth. Do you remember the year? I don't even remember. Yeah, basta before kids, nanood kami ng footy doon. And parang may pa-meet and greet na naganap. Parang nag-organize yung mga taga-Perth na mag-dinner kami. Parang yun ata yung nangyari, guys. And I met MJ then. Tapos nag-hangout kami kasama yung asawa niya, si V. And parang ever since, we've kept in touch. Like, I follow her on social media. Tapos she vlogs din. So, nakikita ko yung mga videos na ina-upload niya. May 2 anak na siya ngayon. So, when we met, wala pa kaming mga babies. As in, it was was it your first time in Perth? Yeah, it was our first time in Perth and we met them. And ngayon kami magkikita ulit. I don't even know how long ago that was. But may 2 anak na din siya. Pero yan, nung nagla-live selling ako, nagmamind siya sa akin. Tapos nung nagla-live selling siya, nagmamind ako sa kanya. Yung mga ganyan. Nagsend na din siya sa atin ng mga presents before. She sent presents to the kids before. Yeah, so matagal na kami magkakilala. And sabi ko sa kanya, kapag pumunta kayo ng Adelaide, sabihan mo ako ha. We need to catch up again. Kasi hindi ko pa alam kung kailan kami babalik ng Perth. Pero yeah, punta sila ng Adelaide today. Buti na lang, today sila punta. Kasi alis nga tayo bukas. So nung message siya sa akin, sabi niya, punta kami dyan ate, baka yung weekend na ganito. Sabi ko, ano ka ba? Alis kami niyan, punta kami Ballarat. Pero timing na ngayon yung lipad nila, bukas nga sana daw sila, guys. Kaya lang sinabi niya sa asawa niya na hindi pwede, na sabi ko na kay ate na ngayon tayo pupunta. So, we will meet them today. So, siya yung makita niyo. She vlogs as well. So, i-leave ko yung channel niya sa baba. Yeah, she has a boy and a girl. And Isla's excited to meet Mia. Aren't you, Isla?
and I don't believe this is not a boy.
Kai is a boy.
Mommy, can I tell you? But he's a little boy.
You're a little boy.
He's a little boy, yeah.
And he's a baby, so he don't want to play.
Not really a baby. He can walk. Naiyak tuloy. Why? Sakit ng baby. I'm so excited to go to Adelaide to meet you and your siblings. I watch your vlog with mommy. Oh yeah. Mia's writing is really nice. Here, come here.
Let me give you fries. You want fries?
Kawawa naman yung paa mo, Bill. Dito na pala si MJ, oh. What is it? Gusto niya din mag-open. Kaya mo yan.
Ready?
Wow! May battery dyan para magamit niya na.
Wow. Ready.
Wow! Dino! Look, Alo. What's a present to you?
I know.
You know? Okay.
Can you?
Huh?
Can you?
A piano. A piano. A piano.
Yeah.
Wait.
Open. Heavy duty kasi yung ano, wrapper. You can do it, guys. Yay! Here. Thank you. Can you stick with them? Thanks very much. Assist, the assist.
Huwag mo nang galawin niya.
Oh, wow. Yung steak ni Dan, look. Hilaw pa. Siya pa magluluto. Baby, do you hear what they said? You have to sear it? Meron nang na ano sa chips ko. Oh. Dip-dip pa. You want this? It's bread. You want bread?
May eat your chips, my love. Kinain na lang yung nugget. Aray! Ang dami ko ng short clip dito kay Kai.
Lagay mo dito.
Sige, sige.
Nagluluto si Bea?
Oh, minsan, pag may time. Pag siya yung nagluto, sarap na sarap ako.
Yeah.
I want some of that.
You want bread?
Chicken party, ang aking in-order. Si Daddy na steak.
Bread?
Tingnan mo naman yung steak nila. Sila pa yung nagluto.
That.
Yeah, just the bread. Yeah, I got you. I need to cut it.
Not like that.
Yeah,
You waiting for it to cook? Ayaw mo natin.
for you and Indy.
Ayun lang dito sa ano te. May button na dumagtag. Ano? Asan? Ito dito, tsaka ito.
Oo na.
So pag nag-zoom ka, dito ka napipindot.
Yeah. Pero mas maganda yung zoom niya, di ba? Mas malayo.
Bye!
Kinuha na yung mga
Thank you sa pag-iwa.
Hindi ko muna iniwa lahat natin.
Ah, sige, thank you.
Ano yung order mo? Ano yung order mo?
Sponge fillet.
Parang ganun.
Ay, nabubo! Ay!
I don't want it. That's okay.
Ate Mia, you want your juice?
Yeah, drink your juice. Gusto niya kasi yung bread.
Yeah. Oh, it's so coming out.
Tulog na siya, guys.
So have it.
Talaga siya. Yep. Here, baby.
Pati yung gilid. Ganyan pa talaga magluto.
Yung ano, yung print yung ipipindot. Hindi yung camera. Yeah. Iba siya. Ano ba yan, B? Naalala niya pa si Dan? Kasi si Dan yan, naalala ko.
Di ba si Kuya na ng bagong sasakyan?
Hindi pa nga dumarating, kaya nga, ang dami nga nangyayari. Aww, ang cute na yung tatlo mo. Sabi ni Arlo, why is Kai not playing with me? Sabi ko, kakagising lang. Ang kaba. Demanding naman.
Ano ka lang sa restaurant?
Ayan, walking kami sa hotel nila. Oh, nandito ako, Bi. Bakit? Oh, no. Mas maganda yung sa'yo. Parang mas red.
Parang more on ano to, parang
Mas
sabi
crisp?
nila may, oo,
Low light nga.
saturation.
Ano yung kanya Osmo Pocket 4. Ang ganda. Ang ganda sa ano, gabi. Hatid na namin kayo sa inyong hotel. Bye. Oh, may hug. Oh.
Indy! Indy, hug!
Hug kay, hug kay.
Kiss, kiss,
Oh.
kiss, make the noise.
Oh, that's
Kiss
sweet.
and make the noise. Kiss and make the noise.
Kiss. Blow kiss, Indy. Blow kiss.
Blow kiss, may sinas kasi yan.
That's okay. Blow kiss.
Say bye-bye.
Oh, say bye to Ate Mia. Hug Ate Mia. Hug Ate Mia. Oh, oh my gosh. Cute naman itong mga to. Bye! Hello! Ay, happy na siya dahil nakatulog na siya eh.
Mom.
Bye! Tapos na kami kumain.
Mama.
Yeah. Ay, tingnan mo siya, hindi na siya tumitigil kakaba.
Put this in the back.
Kaya umalis na kayo. Pabalik na kami sa car park. Ay, itong batang ayaw magpahawak na. Sus, tingnan nyo. Para lang hindi masakit yung shoes. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know what? You guys can sing happy birthday to Tita Michelle. Guys, bahay na tayo. Alam niyo bang nakatulog ako? Kasi pagdating namin, pinatulog ko yung mga bata. Kasi maaga tayo. Bukas. O baka nga bukas na ngayon. Hindi ko alam guys kung anong oras. Nagising lang ako, tapos sabi ko, my gosh, marami pa akong tutupiin sa baba. So natupi ko na. Ayan na. Kasi nag-laundry nga tayo. Ang dami nating laundry. Tapos gusto ko nga maayos, maliwalas yung bahay before tayo umalis. Anyway, mayroong regalo si MJ. At itong babaeng to nag-abala pa talaga. So, meron siyang mga regalo sa mga bata. Hindi ko na alam guys kung na-vlog ko. Kasi si Indy ayaw umupo sa kanyang high chair. Umuupo siya doon sa kung nasaan kami. So, binabantayan ko siya kasi baka mahulog. Tapos ayaw niya talaga umupo sa high chair. Kahit na dumating na yung food. Wala talaga. Siguro kasi may mga ibang tao. But she was fine. She just didn't want to sit on the high chair. So, hindi ako naka-vlog ng ayos. But guys, i-surprise natin si Bebe at mag-subscribe kayo sa channel niya. Kasi isa siyang ulirang ina. Charot. Hindi. May 2 anak ha. Full-time mom. Tapos, nagba-vlog. Masipag mag-edit. Alam mo yan. So, tingnan mo tong babaeng to talaga naman. Para sa amin daw to ni Dan. Alright, ito yung para sa akin. Itong babaeng ito talaga. Thank you, babe. Ikaw na talaga, Inday. Aww, thank you. Kilalang kilala ako niyan kasi nanonood yan ng vlog lagi. Salamat, Day. Body lotion. Thank you, MJ. Ano to? Parang buang tong babaeng to. What the? Ay, nako. This is too much. Ay, nako naman talaga. Meron pa dito para kay Dan. So, ilabas ko na para maput away ko na yung ano. But this is for Dan. Dalhin natin to mamaya sa ating road trip. Mamaya talaga. I'm pretty sure kasi past 12 na ngayon eh. Ay, MJ, thank you, babe. Guys, subscribe natin yung channel niya. Ililip ko siya sa baba. She's a Filipina mom based in Perth. Ay, nakakatuwa kanina kasi sobrang magkasundo si Ayla at saka si Mia. Parang matagal na silang magkakilala tapos nagkita lang, nag-catch up lang. It was so fun to watch. That, I don't think I vlogged. Pero I'm pretty sure na-vlog yun ni MJ na naglalaro silang dalawa guys na parang talagang matagal na silang magkakilala. It was so good to watch. Tas si Arlo din, he was having fun with them. It was really good. It was a really good catch up. So thank you guys for coming over and for catching up with us. Alright. Nandito pala yung mga binigay niya sa mga bata. Hindi ko na parang ito ata para kay Indy. And then this one's for Indy as well. Mess-free drawing. And this is for Ayla. She gave Ayla cinnamon roll. Oh yan, nilagay ko pala dito kasi sabi ko dalhin namin. Look, cinnamon roll. Gawa to ni Mia. Look at that. You know what? Feeling ko natapon ko yung yung textures for this. Dapat meron siyang special texture eh. Yung walang ink. Tapos kapag dinraw mo siya, kumukulay siya. Kaya lang, nasa paper bag tinapon ko. Natapon ata. Tapos wala na dun sa bin namin kasi nga nag-clean up kami, di ba? Naglilinis kami before kami umalis. Before kami nagro-road trip, before kami umalis ng bahay. And in-empty na ni Dan yung bin namin. So, natapon ko yun. So, hindi na natin to dadalhin. Pwede namang dalhin. Bahala na siya. Kuluran na yung kung ano-ano. Put away ko na itong na to. Anyway, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. I will see you guys later sa ating road trip. Thanks for watching. Bye. Be good. Mwah.